Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Know whether Jupyter was installed with pip or conda and where Python lives. Once done, shut every notebook and stop kernels so files aren't locked. Next, launch an elevated PowerShell or command prompt. You need admin rights to remove services and registry entries later. Make sure to note virtual environments in use. These preparations prevent leftover files and permission errors, and let you run the exact uninstall commands that follow while avoiding disrupted sessions. You now remove the packages themselves. If pip installed, run pip uninstall commands for Jupyter, Notebook, ipykernel, and ipython. Repeat in each virtual environment. If conda managed, use conda remove in the specific env or base with explicit package names. Once done, verify by running piplist or conda list to ensure no Jupyter-related packages remain. Make sure to also remove any stray kernels in %appdata, %\Jupyter\kernels, or in your user profile, so launching command. To finish, delete user config and runtime folders such as %userprofile, %Jupyter, %appdata, %Jupyter, and %userprofile, ipython. Also remove any Jupyter-related path entries and uninstall GUI apps through settings. Once done, clear leftover extensions and virtualan folders. If something goes wrong, reboot Windows, ensure no Python or Jupyter. exe processes remain in Task Manager. Then rerun the uninstall in the exact environment where Jupyter was installed. This troubleshooting step fixes permission.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.